Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic Hip-Hop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, netizens are trending on many social media hashtag RBW out and hashtag free Mamamoo. And for those who don't know, Mamamoo is under agency RBW, and because of RBW's recent statement, netizens want Mamamoo to leave RBW. As you might know about the program Produce Camp, which is similar to Produce 101 and which also has Blackpink Lisa as a mentor. And in this program, a Japanese entertainment company called Avex and RBW both have trainees participating in this Chinese audition program, and both are under fire for two different reasons but related to the same issue. Previously, Avex through their website said that they would be holding concerts in countries overseas including Korea, Taiwan and China. On that note, netizens are interpreting their statement as the company views China and Taiwan as separate and independent countries. And for those who don't know, Taiwan considers themselves as a different country and not part of the China. But China says Taiwan is part of China as a one China policy. So as a result, the company and their trainees are being criticized by Chinese citizens. On that note, RBW also released a statement related to the controversy, saying our company has consistently adhered to the one China policy, which means RBW does not consider Taiwan as a different country but the part of China. And because of this statement, international fans got angry at RBW and want Mamamoo to leave the company so that it won't affect their image. But the point you should note is that just a few days ago, Mamamoo members Solar, Moonbyul and Hwasa has already re-signed their contract with RBW, and only member Vihin is left to re-sign the contract. On that note, RBW has quickly deleted their statement and also issued an apology saying, "Today, a post that was not discussed internally was uploaded to the company's social media account. After confirming, it was revealed to have been the employee's sole action and it was deleted immediately after discovering it. And we apologize for confusing everyone. To prevent this from happening in the future, we will take strong measures to prevent any recurrences. Although this was an employee's personal course of action, so we truly apologize for causing concern. And as such, RBW apologized for their mistake." But even after their apology, international fans are still angry, saying RBW is putting all the blame on a single employee and is trying to get away with it. Some netizens are even saying that RBW should clarify whether they support one China policy or not. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on RBW's statement in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for more updates.